ว่าบุรมีเสร็จท่าขมอเสียท่าสายเฉียนป้ามีลงหวกตัวนี้ที่สกปหมายบีดีซิลเมกอันนี้เสร็จท่ามีห้วยเส้นค่ะมั้งเสร็จท่าวิริเราไม่ทราบค่ะห้วยเส้นแกวิริเราค่ะข้าราชการเราละเว้ย
Wanna be young the rest of my life. Never say no, try anything twice. Till the angels come and ask me to fly. Gonna be 18 till I die. 18 till I die. Can't live forever, that's wishful thinking. Whoever said that must have been drinking. Don't wanna grow up, I don't see why. I couldn't care less if time flies by. 18 till I die. Gonna be 18 till I die. Yeah, sure feels good to be alive. Someday I'll be 18, going on 55. 18 till I die. Alright. Anyway, just wanna say, why bother with what happened yesterday? It's not my style, I live for the minute. If you wanna stay young, get both feet in it. 18 till I die. A little bit of this, a little bit of that, a little bit of everything. Gotta get on track. Not how you look, it's what you feel inside. I don't care when, I don't need to know why. 18 till I die. Gonna be 18 till I die. Yeah, sure feels good to be alive. Someday I'll be 18, going on 55. 18 till I die. Yeah, there's one thing for sure, I'm sure gonna try. Yeah. Yeah, don't worry about the future, forget about the past. Gonna have a ball, yeah, gonna have a blast, gonna make it last. Hey, yeah, 18 till I die. Gonna be 18 till I die. Yeah, sure feels good to be alive. Someday I'll be 18, going on 55. 18 till I die. Gonna be 18 till I die. I'm gonna be 18 till I die. Alright. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, 18 till I die.
There are times when you make me laugh. There are moments when you drive me mad. There are seconds when I see the light. Though many times you made me cry. There's something you don't understand. I want to be your man. Nothing to lose, your love to win. Hope these moments when I feel close to you. There are times I think that I am yours, though many times I feel unsure. There's something you don't understand. I want to be your man. Nothing to lose, your love to win. Hoping so bad that you let me in. I'm at your feet, waiting for you. I've got time and nothing to lose. I'll always be around you. Keep an eye on you. Always keep an eye on you. 'Cause my patience is strong and I won't let you run. Are the only one. When you are the only one. Nothing to lose, your love to win. Your love to win. Hoping so bad that you let me in. I'm at your feet, I'm at your waiting for you. I've got time and nothing to lose. Oh yeah, I've got time and nothing to lose.
Yes, yes.
We don't have that
साउथ
much
में जो
of these
मंदिर है ना,
roads.
साउथ में यहाँ मतलब कर्नाटका से लेके केरला तक कोई भी मंदिर में बगैर हाथ धोए बगैर नहाए जा नहीं सकते। कुछ मंदिर ऐसे है कि बाहर अपने को पानी से नहाना पड़ता है, उसके बाद अपने को अंदर एंट्री मिलता है। साउथ में बहुत सारे मंदिर मतलब बहुत सारे हैं
Strong as in the Hindi culture and in Muslim culture. It is not at all that strong, and in Buddhism even less. It's not that you are dirty all the time. It's not that, but it's not related to the religious beliefs. In this, we, especially we as Europeans, when we come to India, we are talking about sanitation to the farmers. Then we have to have this in mind very much. And as well, you have to, when you know, if you go to a village, you have to know what culture you are meeting there. So which religion you are meeting there. How is the structure of the, that's why we are pointing this out. Because there are differences and we have to consider them.
Whole thing, each and everything is handled by the school children. Okay. So you have a little bit idea about the UDD toilet. Even then I will give you the some information what is the UDD basically. So if you talk about the UDD, that is called the urine. First part is called the urine. Second is diversion.
I studied land water management and engineering at the University of Natural Resources Management and Applied Life Sciences, Vienna. So I'm from Austria. I was born and grew up in the capital, Vienna. After my studies, I came here to India. I lived here not only in Pune, but also in Kolkata, Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Khopoli, Nagpur for almost 2 years. Not on one single stretch, but staying here for 6 months, going back, coming here again. And yeah, ever since October 2006, I'm coming here to India for short visits, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, to take care on our jointly conducted training activities and pilot projects.
On agriculture and concerning the details of application for urine and fecal matter, how you use it to fertilize, this will be dealt with in the lectures that follow mine. So I will not go too much into the detail, but more remain on general aspects. And as always, if you have some maybe much better to actually have a small demonstration garden. I will show you the layout. This was not very big. These were 24 fields of 1 square meter, so it didn't use a lot of area. But still, we could see a huge difference, and people really were very impressed and started to believe that this fertilizer actually works. I explained quickly the layout that I did. We wanted to also compare the effects of irrigation. So we had
Why is it large?
because it depends on the diet. Yes,
Organic is not always about
organic is the definition is when it contains carbon.
organic.
It's carbon.
Polyvinyl chloride, it's organic. Polyvinyl chloride.
कितने भी तू कर ले सितम, हंस हंस के सहेंगे हम। कितने भी तू कर ले सितम, हंस हंस के सहेंगे हम। ये प्यार ना होगा कम सनम, तेरी कसम हो सनम, तेरी कसम सनम, तेरी कसम। कितने भी तू कर ले सितम, हंस हंस के सहेंगे हम। ये प्यार ना होगा कम सनम, तेरी कसम हो सनम, तेरी कसम सनम, तेरी कसम। जितना तड़पाएगी मुझको, उतना ही तड़पेगी तू भी। जो आज है आरज़ू मेरी, वो कल तेरी आरज़ू होगी। जितना तड़पाएगी मुझको, उतना ही तड़पेगी तू भी। जो आज है आरज़ू मेरी, वो कल तेरी आरज़ू होगी। नहीं सच है सनम, सनम तेरी कसम ओ सनम, तेरी कसम सनम, तेरी कसम।
नहीं 500 लीटर का है। टाकी किती 1000 लीटरची आहे, क्षमता किती?
ये सर ये यूरिन बेस्ड।
अच्छा, यहाँ कलेक्ट करके फिर इसको कहाँ गए? किधर है? बताने वाला कौन है? इसको जो इकट्ठा कर लेते हो कितने दिन में बढ़ता है?
यूरिन कलेक्टिंग पाइप।
स्मेल आ रहा है ना, इंडिकेटर इसका पीएच बढ़ने लग गया है।
प्योर यूरिन,
प्योर यूरिन। अगर स्ट्रिप होता है तो
कितने दिन के बाद यूज करना लगता है?
After some time, I finally made up my mind. She is the girl, and I really want to make her mine.
group work will be a lot about social marketing, because that's what your job is mostly all about. To market the idea, to market the social issue, and try to implement something which is useful for the society when you talk about sanitation for the people.
And promotion may be done in this stage. First project, pilot project has to be done. With that, we have to call up NGOs and convince them first, and then local leaders and mass media lastly. And place, appropriate place is, as I mentioned before, village, and price may be subsidized, and implementation may be done through IEC first, second NGOs, and nodal agency may be selected. Like the way we have been doing TSC officials or PHCE officials. And time frame may be, I don't know, but maybe a year or two.
Any questions? And we very much look forward that we would be reaching to the district levels or the grassroots levels. And the first state with which we will be starting is Kerala and maybe Uttarakhand, Punjab, Haryana. So we are always very much eager to do so. Now I would like to give certificates to all who have completed this training course. I will start.
Mr. Ranjit Singh. Mr. Sakit Kumar. Mr. Vashu. Mr. Vaisek Solo. Mr. Glenn McRae. Mr. Dayashankar Prasad. Dr. Anwar Ali Khan. Mr. Anil Sachari.
Sentence. The approach of all of the faculty was emotionally professional and professionally emotional.
Once we were lovers, lovers we were. Oh, what a lie. Once we were dreamers, dreamers we were. Oh, you and I. Now I see you're just somebody who wastes all my time and money. What a lie. You and I. What about your 10,000 promises that you gave to me? Your 10,000 promises that you promised me. Once I could handle the truth when the truth was you and I. But time after time, all the promises turned out to be all lies. Now I see I'm just somebody who wasted my time. What about your 10,000 promises that you gave to me? Your 10,000 promises that you promised. You say I'll take you back, but I close the door, 'cause I don't want 10,000 more. Once we were lovers, just lovers we were, oh, you and I. What a lie.
Look how the wind carries the seed. See how the soil supplies what it needs. The rain falls, the sun shines, and the flower breaks free. And it all works together. Why can't we? And I have seen children at play in the park, skin shades of ivory, red, yellow, and dark. Well, my eyes saw colors their little hearts could not see. They were playing together. Why can't we? became plowshares, 'cause there were no enemies. And I woke up and wondered, God, why can't we? Why can't we? Why can't we? I can love you, and you can love me. Why can't we? Why can't we? Said our foolish pride, please just be and let me. Why can't we? Set our foolish pride free, just be and let me. Why can't we? Why can't we?
You packed in the morning, I stared out the window and I struggled for something to say. You left in the rain without closing the door. I didn't stand in your way. Now I miss you more than I missed you before, and now where I'll find comfort, God knows. 'Cause you left me just when I needed you most. Left me just when I needed you most. Now most every morning I stare out the window and I think about where you might be. I've written you letters that I'd like to send. If you would just send one to me. 'Cause I need you more than I needed before, and now where I'll find comfort, God knows. 'Cause you left me just when I needed you most. Left me just when I needed you most. Packed in the morning, I stared out the window and I struggled for something to say. You left in the rain without closing the door. I didn't stand